Hi, my name is Zach with Zakotech, and this is Dave, and he brought in a laptop today for me to install OS, which was having issues getting installed. So what I had done was I went through, got Windows back installed, updated the Windows updates, installed several drivers, and basically right now in the process of showing him what I've done. So real quick, I just showed you the drivers. You kind of see, get on here. I think I still have internet access. You still get it there. So basically, if I still have internet access, it probably doesn't. But in any case, it looks like it's trying to load. Okay, so you got internet access there, and then also there's also the drivers as far as all the devices under Device Manager. So yeah, I installed to make sure all those things, you don't see anything yellow there. So we're all good to go, and hopefully this you're satisfied with this. And if you had any questions or you had any concerns or anything, or you're okay, well.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Seems to be.
Okay, well, I appreciate you taking the time and giving me a chance to resolve your issue, and hopefully in the future, if you have any other issues, you bring it back to me.
Oh yeah.
All right, sir. Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.